Just played the second hole of the back nine at Varadero Golf Course, 8:30 in the morning on a Sunday, and it's pretty busy, but it's beautiful. So I've hit it from the tee blocks on 13, and I'm right here about 145 yards out, heading up the hill. We're on the 18th tee block now. We started on the back nine and we're heading for the clubhouse. They've got this construction, almost looks like an Olmec head there. It sure is pretty. I'm on the hilltop over top of 18 green right now, looking along the ocean at the beach just on the north side of the golf course. Looking out over a few of the holes here in Varadero Golf Course. Well, I'm on the back nine, which is the front nine, and there's the first green. And we just came from back up there at the clubhouse. Along a ridge. One of the high points of the peninsula right there. That's Bella Costa Hotel. If you stay there, I'm told golf is included on the course here. Not much breeze today. They've got a nice beach hidden in there. Playing with my phone camera, and the water is gorgeous. As clear as glass. We're getting close to back to 18. My golf partners are hiding. They don't want to be in the picture. I'm all done on the driving blocks. Just hit off of 9. Last angry swing. Hit a bad one. Now we're heading for number 9 green.